What's up guys, it's Joey. And so a couple weeks ago, I was sitting in my room during my self-isolation and thinking, man, like I'm not traveling anymore. I have all this free time. I really thought I would be productive and creative and get on top of things. And it just wasn't really happening. I mean, I was productive in some aspects. I beat 2 different Pokemon games. I wanna be the very best. But I really wanted to be more motivated to work out and make videos for you guys. So I put down the Switch and started Googling like tips on being more productive, and I came across this video of the Live Like Casey Neistat challenge to get out of this slump and to increase productivity. So I was like, man, that's a wake-up call. Maybe this is exactly what I should do to get on it. So I decided to take the challenge, and I made a video going over exactly what it was and posted it for you guys to see, and you guys were so encouraging with the comments and you guys loved it. So I wanted to do a recap and follow up on how it went. And it is a little bit late, some of you guys will notice, but there's a reason that it took a couple of weeks instead of just that 1 week. So I'll get to that in a little bit. But I'm so happy I did this because I did, like you guys have seen, post so many videos that I've wanted to do for so long. These videos have been like jumbled around in my head. I'm just wanting to get them out there. So I'm so happy that I've like definitely increased the productivity for sure. But a couple of the things of the challenge didn't go so well, and so that's kind of what I want to dive into in this video of like how it actually went. So the challenge has a couple of main parts to it, and the first is waking up at 5 a.m. All right guys, so it is 5 o'clock in the morning and first day of this challenge, and that part was fine. I really enjoyed that part because it is productive. I mean, you really do get a lot done in those morning hours, so I do really enjoy that part of it. I mean, it was a struggle, super bad, to do that the first couple days. It's definitely a shock to the system, but it's something I really enjoy, and so that part I am like totally fine with. The next part is the daily runs, and so that's something that is like Casey is known for. He talks about his runs all the time, so I was like, okay, that's a big part of the challenge that I have to incorporate. Gotta get this running, let's go. And I liked it a lot. I started running every single day, and I kept on building up the mileage, and it just, I don't know, it was really, really nice and relaxing to kind of have that work in the morning and then like a solid break to then start your day later. So that was really awesome. And as I started running, then my mom started coming on walks with me. And I got my mom out here walking with me. So she comes out after the runs. We're on 3 in a row going, I think. Yeah, so I've taken that time from 9 to 10. That was kind of just to get ready for the day, to go walk around a bit, because in quarantine, there's not much of a commute or getting ready to do. So it's just going out to my little desk. So yeah, going after it. Woo! Bye. Then it's the main part of the day, which is just work, which is from 10 to 6. And that is a lot of time to be working, but I tried to stay on top of that as much as I could. And I did really, really like it. And you guys, I mean, you guys have seen my number of videos has gone up tremendously since I started this challenge. What's up guys, it's Joey. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, today we're gonna be talking about one of my biggest adventures of my entire life, my time living in Africa. How was it your first time on the channel, getting to speak?
Oh, I don't like it.
There we go, she crushed it.
There you go.
Woo! I am actually crazy impressed with how productive I've been able to be. I mean, I'm actually filming so many videos. I'm on top of the posting schedule, and it's very, very cool. Just did another one on my Peace Corps experience. I had no idea that was gonna turn into 4 videos. When I planned it out, it was all 1, but there's just so much to cover, and I'm really excited you guys are liking these Africa videos a lot. So that is another one finished. That is like the 5th video this week or something, but it was going behind the scenes, talking about my channel and tips for you guys on growing a channel, going into my analytics and all that kind of stuff. Very fun to film. It was very different than my normal travel video, and it was kind of like instructional. So that was a new challenge for me. I've wanted to try it out for a while. Productivity is crushing it. The next part is the family time, and that's also something I've really enjoyed because I don't know, when I first came home, like everything was kind of blurring together of like I should be filming, but I should be relaxing, I should be with my family, then I went back home, but it was all kind of meshing. So to have that blocked out of, okay, this time you're gonna like eat with the family, do games, hot tub, all that kind of stuff was really nice. Spend it with them and not be focused on like I should be producing something, because I spent the rest of the day doing that, separated it out so I didn't feel guilty about not working during that time. And then the last part is the nightly workout. So he does the run in the morning and then the workout from 10 to 11 at night. Just finished day 2. I am so much more sore and tired than I thought I would be. These nightly workouts are killing me after the runs. Gotta keep going. And that is like, I don't mind a second workout, but doing it that late at night was just so difficult because I'm already like kind of winded down for the day. My mom's laughing at me.
Strong and related, unable to move.
And then the last thing of the day is this intense workout that then I wouldn't be able to sleep after because my body's like now awake again. So I'm about to start my workout for day 3, and guys, it is so hard for me to work out this late at night. I'm like tired, but then after the workout, I can't sleep. So he says he crashes right at 11 p.m. But for me, I'm like exhausted right now, but I know right after this workout, I'm like wide awake. So that was the main thing that made the challenge so rough. I mean, you guys saw day 1 and day 2 and day 3 were pretty similar to that, but that lack of sleep and that nightly workout, like keeping me awake, was definitely something that compounded throughout the days. All right guys, it is day 4 of this challenge. These 5 a.m.s are getting to me I don't mind so much waking up at 5, but it's the lack of sleep. It's really hard going straight to bed right after a workout at night, so I like can't sleep right away, and so I end up getting like 4 hours of sleep every night, and that's hard. I'm so tired. So that part was the main thing that I would like have to change, because it doesn't work for my body. My body is not okay like winding down and then spiking back up and then like just to go to sleep. The timing of it is terrible for me. I don't know how he does it or other people have done it, but I was being really productive. So that part of it I really did like. I was running a lot, my health was up, all that was good, but the lack of sleep was like, I felt more detrimental than all the productivity. So along with that, it was also my parents' anniversary, so I decided to take a break and just kind of focus for a weekend around them. And it was very nice because normally I'm traveling and out and doing things, so it was nice being home and actually get to spend the time with them. So we went out on the river, we were kayaking, we saw a lot of manatees and turtles and alligators, and I don't know, it was just really nice getting to spend a lot of time with them. I took a break from everything kind of and just took the day and the weekend to spend it with them and have a good time. So after that, I kind of was like, okay, we'll refocus, we'll rethink this. And I'm gonna kind of restructure the day. I'm gonna take all the hours, but move them around a little bit so that I can actually accomplish this thing. Okay. All right, so these red ones right here, this symbolizes work. So those are those early morning hours before everybody else gets up that you dedicate just to work. The blue dominoes is family, so this is time spent directly with the family. The yellow domino, that is for working out, for running, all that kind of stuff. So that is what we go right at 8 o'clock. And it's back to work for a big chunk of the day, from 10 all the way up until 6 o'clock. And then 6 o'clock is family time, so that's more of the blue domino. 10 o'clock is now back to working out for an hour. And then the purple domino is my favorite domino for sleep, and that's the rest of the day. Now you'll notice there's 3 extra purple dominoes, so that would be a full 8 hours of sleep, and that is not happening during this challenge. All right, so that is his whole day spelled out in dominoes, and so my problem is actually at the very end of the day. Everything else is okay, but this little section right here, I need these missing sleep hours. I need to put them in somewhere. And this guy right here is not working for me, going from working out to sleep. So that is what we're gonna have to fix here. All right, so first things first. So what I wanna do mainly is put these guys back in here. I'm gonna put one down here at the end. I'm gonna put these 2 right here, so that from 9 to 5, we're sleeping. And I know going to bed at 9 sounds early, but I really wanna stick to that waking up at 5 a.m. The next thing, I cannot put this here. It just doesn't work. That is a no-go. So we're gonna move this before family time so that I can wind down for the rest of the day before I sleep. Going on these walks with my mom, since they are with her, I'm counting that as family time. Since I'm not really exercising, I'm mainly just spending the time with her. And so that is gonna be Joey's schedule. That's the way I've found to be more productive. And I really do like blocking off the sets of time for certain things. I really like this chunk of work and then the family time and working out and having all those built into every single day. But guys, I cannot sacrifice these purple dominoes. I need my sleep. I just really do. I don't know how he does it, working off 5 hours of sleep every day. And yes, I'm taking out that other health domino because he has 2 hours scheduled in the morning, but I found my runs only take an hour and I'm walking with my mom afterwards. And the 2 hours of work, yeah, maybe I'm cutting a little bit there, but I don't have a commute and everything. And so, you know, I'm willing to sacrifice 2 hours of productivity for some sleep. I just need it. I'll be more productive during that rest of the chunk of the day if I have my sleep. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be working with. All right, so now that I've moved up the workouts, there's actually still light outside, so I get to be out of my room a little bit longer. I like that a lot better than doing the workouts in my room like I was having to do before, just because we're inside all day with quarantine, so I like to be out as much as possible. So cramming it all into that little room was not ideal, so yeah, I like this more. I got another workout by Fitness Blender, gonna go ahead and do this challenge, and yeah, let's get to it.
Remind yourself to keep those lungs open.
All right, I'm on a water break right now. These workouts don't get any easier, even though they're at 5 o'clock now. They are killer. Definitely recommend checking these guys out if you're looking for something to do during quarantine. Wow, I can't even breathe. All right, back to it. I only got a 20-second water break.
If you want to make this a balance challenge as well, come back up. Don't set your foot back down.
So after all the workouts, I like to jump in, go for a swim before dinner. That's also a plus of doing these earlier in the day. I like that a lot. But yeah, those guys are kicking my butt. Whew, let's go. And so now here we are about 2 weeks later after I started this challenge, and am I glad I did it? Yes, 100%. I mean, to be able to have filmed and completed and edited and posted all those videos as well as working out twice a day every day, like, I don't know, just really made me feel accomplished and made me feel like I can get on top of this and that it's not that scary. Now I actually have free time while posting all these videos. So having those 2 videos a week isn't so much of a scary, impossible task anymore. So I definitely am appreciative of that. Do I think I'll keep it going? Maybe. I mean, definitely the working out at night, no, and waking up so early. I may push it back maybe 30 minutes to an hour, do 6:30, something like that. That's a little bit more reasonable for my lifestyle because I do like to, I don't know, hang out with people and stuff, and a lot of times that's a Zoom late at night after work and things. I do want to stay on top of these 2 videos a week. I've been doing Tuesday and Friday since I started this challenge, and it's worked out really, really well. I've been able to manage that, so I want to continue that going, and having these blocks of time has been really, really helpful for me getting things done. I mean, I feel productive when I'm working, and then I feel focused when I'm working out, and I feel present when I'm with my family. And I really, really like that I'm not kind of meshing everything together. So I definitely recommend you trying it if you want to kind of shake up your lifestyle. If you're feeling in a slump, take it, but definitely adapt it to yourself because it is a crazy lifestyle. If you can manage off 5 hours of sleep, go for it. I wanted to fulfill it and do it for you guys to kind of show what it took to actually do this because I'm just so tired. I'm so tired. I cannot have that kind of lifestyle. Maybe it's productive for him, but it was kind of infringing on my actual productivity by getting that little sleep. I guess that applies to a lot of things in life. You can get inspired by other people and other creators or shows or something you read or something, but you always kind of want to take it and apply it to your own life because everybody's different. Everybody has different priorities, different struggles, different strengths, all that kind of stuff. So taking somebody else's life and kind of pushing it and forcing your own into that is very, very hard. And I don't actually recommend that now. After going through this, that was rough. So definitely try and make it focus more around what you think is going to make you the best you can be because you're the only one, all that jazz. So go ahead and leave a like if you've enjoyed this video. It really helps me out and supports the channel, so I really appreciate you guys when you do that. And comment down below what you think the hardest thing about this challenge would be. Would it be waking up early or staying focused all day, the workouts, whatever it may be, or just say hey. I love chatting with you guys and responding to the comments, so leave me a message down there if you haven't already. And I really like the schedule that the challenge has got me on. I'm posting on Tuesdays and Fridays, and I have a lot of videos I want to make for you guys, like climbing Kilimanjaro in Tanzania and winning a free trip around the world through Facebook. So I have a lot coming and don't want you guys to miss out on any of that. So go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you Friday with another video. Goodbye.